the lights on.
Yep.
Ptarmigan. That's that bird I want to hunt in Alaska.
Yes,
And I have a ptarmigan. Remember I bought it at the antique store Atlantic in Nantucket? It's in the den.
Oh, yes, yes.
Over by the wine bar.
Yep. I remember you got that. It's kind of unusual to see that at Atlantic. Look at that guy. He's on the right side of the chair, weighing it down. I think that's bear paw right there. I want to see that. It was groomed yesterday.
Yeah. See, there's something with the bumps on it. That a little more light.
Yeah.
You can see those bumps.
It has one steep section, but it's not. It was groomed yesterday, and obviously there's no ice. It's pretty steep that climb. This looks pretty fun.
But again, it violates my criteria why I ski moguls. But I'd like to find more intermediate moguls to keep practicing. Even the basic things of pointing downhill and looking 20 feet ahead. Even have to be better at doing that. It's very easy to start looking at the next one. See, the thing is, when these get like this, you don't see people skiing it. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously they are, but this is all mogul because of when it was a powder day.
Well, nobody really skis in this area of the mountain. Everybody goes up to Harmony and Symphony and all that.
I can see why.
Big Red. Yeah.
Loop.
But I think this is also fun terrain in the woods. We'll see the chickpea at the top of it. This is steep. This section here. I think a lot of people go around that way.
Yeah, there's plenty of people who've come down between those trees.
Yeah. You can tell a trail's steep when you see the bottom of the lift of the chair.
Yeah.
I think it's a little better to wait for these to soften up too. Get some sun shining on them.
There we go. Look how much of Blackcomb is in the shade.
Yeah. I think Blackcomb gets sunny in the afternoon. So after lunch, I think I want to do the glacier. distance to where you can see back in the something. This lift is long.
Now, where's this leave us below, below Steeps where we had lunch?
Yeah. So in order to get to that area, we would still have to take one more lift.
Like Big Red.
No, Emerald is faster.
Emerald's to our left, right?
Yep.
Oh, Emerald.
You have to
Emerald
ski
is the
down to it.
6-pack.
Yeah, it's brand new.
I call it the Harmony chair.
Why?
That's the 6-pack that we were taking when we were skiing Harmony.
No,
The
no. There are
birds?
2 6-packs.
Ah, okay.
One's Emerald that dumps out next to Steeps,
Okay.
and one is Harmony, which serves Harmony Falls. You can see Emerald right now. See it coming up under Peak to Peak?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
See, isn't this much better?
Yep. Chickpea restaurant. Oh, we could do Dave Murray downhill.
Go to the Chickpea restaurant.
You want to do Dave Murray downhill?
What's our plan if we want to stay up here where it's sunny?
Yeah, we can ski that to back to Garbanzo, and then go up and do Peak to Creek. Ready?